2.4 million US dollars, and they have 207 million monthly visitors. Hey there, Mosh Barry here. Welcome to this video. I'm so excited to have you here. Woo! I'm going to show you a keyword. Right now, people are searching using this keyword on Google, YouTube, and other places. I will tell you the number. Only one keyword has 30 million searches per month. 30 million searches. And there are so many other keywords. They all get millions of searches. Why? Because it's so important. So, how much important? It's so important that Google and tycoons, like the people who are literally controlling the internet, Google and Amazon, have wings based on this particular keyword, the particular thing, the particular problem that people need solution for. And they are searching on Google every single day for help. And not only that, YouTube has it, yes. But Facebook has a built-in feature for this. I'm going to tell you everything. Not only that, I'm going to give you free software as usual, and I will tell you 4 different ways you can make money using this that other YouTubers and influencers will not tell you. That's a bit of a rant in today's video. That I learned this from basically other people, other YouTubers, learning from their videos. But they just showed only one way, and that one way is so limited that don't let you grow, that don't let you be like those influencers. That's my rant. That's the unfortunate part. They want you to consume their content over and over and over again, and then you get so much information that you can't take action and get no results. So they will never tell you the most important way to actually make money from this without any interruption, without even trying anything else. You can build a full business, a home-based business, a company-based business if you want. You can build a SaaS on it. You can offer service on this one simple thing, and you can make immense amount of money online. So again, I'm gonna share every detail right here, right now. Did you like your video so far? Please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we will upload our next video. We're looking at Ubersuggest, and I'm looking at the keyword right now. Now you should look at this too. The topic is the translation. All around the globe, people need translation. Proof, the search results. Now if you look at YouTube, you'll find so many videos, and those videos got 77,000, 137,000, 340,000 views for such a limited information. That limited information honestly will give you limited income. They show you how to make money using Google Translate. It's so limited that this will make Google rich, and this will make these influencers rich because you will keep watching their content over and over and over again. That's their benefit, and Google's benefit when you use Google Translate. What they don't tell you is that you can actually use Google's Translate using a tiny little software. It's coming to you for free because it's not their fault. They don't have those softwares. I have it. I'm a software builder. I acquire a lot of software. I build a lot of software. So I have it. You can have it too. Free, link in the description. But wait, don't go till the end of the video, because I will share 4 different ways to make money using that software. Now, how can you make money? One of the places those influencers will show you that you can offer this service on Fiverr and on other freelancer sites, and you can make money. It is true. Look at this little keyword, translate Spanish to English, or English to Spanish, Spanish to English. It has 6.1 million monthly searches, and this smart guy or person offers this translation service on Fiverr, and the average price is $20 per gig or per purchase. Total sales so far 12,064, which is approximately 5 to 10% of total sales. So 12,064 multiplied by 10 is 120,000 total sales, multiplied by $20 is 2.4 million US dollars only by using Google Translate. Yes, you can just using Google Translate, and you can translate anyone's document and start making money. You can do it. Don't worry. There is more to it. Do you know that you can actually drive immense traffic to your website for a long time, giving you authority in Google's eyes? That's what most of the websites do, authority websites do. They want users or viewers or readers spend a lot of time on their website, going from content to content, article to article, video to video, listening to audio. Why? Because this reduces bounce rate. Well, I'm not going to the technical term bounce rate. It means lower bounce rate means the viewers are spending more time on the website, which means the website contains important information and Google loves it. So they send more and more traffic to the website, more and more visitors. Now the next stage, wait for me, because I'm going to give you an interactive software that will use this niche and will turn your website into an interactive website. So a lot of people will stay on your website for a long time, but that's not all. That's where the rent starts. All these YouTubers and influencers are also big affiliate marketers. Our videos come with free tips and free softwares and freebies. You should always get notified. How do you get notified? The only one option is to hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, because this is the only way YouTube will know that you are the right person to notify first when we'll upload our next video. Now, what they tell you is true. I have no problem with that, but they don't tell you the full information about what they actually do. What they actually do in the core is they build list of subscribers inside YouTube, in their mailing list, in other social media, but they build list of subscribers and following. If you go to Google, if you go to Amazon, if you go to Facebook or any website, what do they try from you? Even YouTube, the first thing they will try is to get your email. Why is that? Because email is the best way to communicate with the users, to build relationship and call them back to the website. Now this might seem boring, but it's not. It's just a simple email away sending, hey, there is a new content, go watch it, go read it. That's all they do. Amazon does it in more smarter way, but in the core, they all build list of email subscribers. Has any of these big influencers told you that you should first build your list? And building list is super easy. You just need to put an opt-in form on your website and offer something free, valuable. That is it. That's it. And even HubSpot, HubSpot is a tycoon. They even does it in much smarter way. They publish contents and they offer the same content in PDF version for an opt-in. How smart is that? It's like watching my video and saying, hey, sign up here and get the text version of this video. It's just like you're watching my video and I would ask you, hey, sign up to get the text version or the PDF version of this video. But yeah, they do that and it works, because yes, that is all you need, is just to put an opt-in form on your website. By the way, don't worry, link in the description will give you my personal opt-in form that I use to build it. So let's come back to how you should actually use this industry, and my softwares link in the description. They are free and make money. First of all, link in the description will turn your website into a translation service website. So people will visit your website and they will translate their content. And what you should do is to add any other content. You can use Maven, you can use any other content, or you can even build your own store on the same website, or offer any product review and ask people to buy. But in my opinion, what you should do is to offer something better and bigger, free, with an opt-in form. When they like your content, they like your website, they will want to sign up for something better. All our videos come with freebies, gifts, tips, all types of freebies to help you build your profitable income online. Just like HubSpot. We love their content and I signed up multiple times for templates, for contents, for their PDFs. Now you got their email list. Now you should send your other contents to your new subscribers to build a relationship. Once you have a relationship, now you can offer them an affiliate offer. What do you think is the most relevant affiliate offer for people who are looking for translation. It can easily be a very related offer, a software, a SaaS, or even an information product. You can sell them a language learning course with your affiliate link, or you can offer them to start using Grammarly as an affiliate. I meant to say, you can send your affiliate link of Grammarly, and when they sign up for free account, you will get 20 cents. 100 free signups will make you $20, but a lot of them will sign up for the premium plan, and for each premium plan's purchase, you will make $20. That's super awesome, right? So what should you do when you start making money? You should plan your own SaaS, or you should plan your own offer or your course, so you can sell to them and keep 100% of the profit. But that's a little long term, but at the moment, this is what you should do. Use the link in the description to turn your website into an interactive translation service. So a lot of people visit your website, just like this website. It's called deepl.com/en/translator, and they have 207 million monthly visitors. Why? Because people come and use their service. And of course, they have a translator software that you can download for free. And of course, from the plans and pricing, we understand they have a paid option as well. But it all started by helping people who are looking for translation service. Now let's go back for a moment. Look at this website. They have start free trial option and login option. If you want to log in, let's say you just want to log in, they will ask for your email and password. You don't have an account, so you have to create an account, log in using SSO. You don't have anything yet, sign up DeepPL Pro. So you have to sign up using your mail and name, or your name and email address. What does this mean? It means all they want from you is your email address. You should be doing the same. That's how to make money online. The first thing you should do is ask for the email address. So anyways, link in the description. You'll get all the softwares you need. Opt-in form that I use, put it on your website. Add content. If you don't have content, use Maven. Maven will hijack any content from the internet and will turn it into your content legally, and also it will turn into your website, even if you don't have a hosting server or a domain. And use the software in the description to turn your website into a translation service, interactive website, help people stay long time on your website, build authority in the eyes of Google, get more and more traffic, and put them all into your mailing list, build relationship, offer them Grammarly, maybe, or other language related or translation related service or aid to them. And of course, you must down the line have your own course or your own software or your own product and sell to them and keep all the profit. And when you have your own product and that product is good, a lot of affiliates will want to promote your product. They will send you free traffic and the snowball will keep rolling. You'll make a lot of money down the line. Literally, making money is super easy if you do it right. We always offer freebies, free softwares, free gifts that help you better to make money online faster than others. In order to know about them, all you have to do, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will know that you are the right person to notify when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.